Tired of keeping your USDT stuck in one place? Let's break it free and move it over to your Tonkeeper wallet. This guide will walk you through transferring USDT from Binance to Tonkeeper, ensuring you can take full advantage of the Ton blockchain speed and low fees. First, open your Binance app and navigate to the Wallet section, usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap on Withdraw. This is how you'll initiate the transfer of your USDT. Now, search for USDT in the cryptocurrency list and select it. Before proceeding in Binance, jump over to your Tonkeeper app, find and copy your Tonkeeper USDT wallet address. Make absolutely sure you're copying the correct USDT address. It is extremely important. Head back to Binance and paste the Tonkeeper USDT address into the address field. Double, triple, and quadruple check that it matches the one you copied from Tonkeeper. Exactly any mistake here and your funds could be lost. Under Network, select Ton. This is vital to ensure your USDT is transferred via the Ton blockchain. Using the wrong network will result in a failed or lost transaction. Now, enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees displayed by Binance. Once you've filled in all the details and verified everything, tap the Withdraw button. You'll likely need to complete Binance's security verification process, which might include email, SMS, or authenticator app codes. Follow the instructions carefully. After completing the verification, your USDT transfer is initiated. It might take a few minutes for the transaction to be processed on the Ton blockchain and appear in your Tonkeeper wallet. Keep an eye on your Tonkeeper wallet, and you should see your USDT arrive shortly. Congratulations!